manageable components. True or false? Wrong. So, ang dako nga component, i-break down mo to manageable component. What is manageable component? Component na makaya lang ma-deliver within 45 minutes in a day. Ma-carried out in a day. Next, number 2. When unpacking learning competencies, it is essential to identify the prerequisite knowledge and skills learners need to achieve on a specific competency. True or false? True. Ano na si Katrol? Saan ka mo? Wala yung hindi. True or false? Knowledge, prerequisite knowledge. Kinahanglan diri. Amin yung differential English nga naman. Ang English kanina, dapat tablong taxonomy, kinahanglan masulod ang upat. Di niya mathematics, when you unpack, kinahanglan kuhanan rin mo ang prerequisite skills. Like for example, fractions, multiplying, dissimilar fractions. Ano man dapat ang imo? Dapat may prerequisite skills nga develop before ka ma-identify. Oo, pwede. Identify anong fraction, similar or dissimilar, with regrouping or without regrouping. This is how to unpack mathematics competencies. So magkaiba ba niya, ha? Next. Klaro.
So we don't have Bloom's taxonomy, man?
Dire, iba pa na natin. Tingnan mo yun, ha? Prerequisite skills. Sige, niyan. Huwag pa man lang ay nini-priming, nag-lecture na ako. Sige. Next, number 3. Unpacking learning competency is primarily a one-time process and that does require regular updates. Wrong or false? False, kaya dapat regular updates. Next, unpacking considers leveling up learning competency in the taxonomy. Amo na ito kanina, man listen. Leveling up, leveling down. Kailangan unpack ka. Leveling down. Kailangan unpack ka. Ano ba yan? Kung ano niya, ipag-unpack mo, ma-level down ka. Tingnan ka, boss pa ikaw.
Yes, so false.
Klaro. Pwede na kita nyo mag-discuss.
Discuss
Okay, next. What is unpacking? Correct pa rin yan sila kanina. Refers to the specific objective wherein skills are sequentially logically arranged in increasing levels. Same kanina in English. Ito manageable parts. Okay, supports instructional planning. One-time adjustment. But in unpacking, take note, real-time adjustment and instruction to dip the standards required. Allow space for learning competency have a high cognitive demand, which may lead to students consistently struggling at unpacking the curriculum guide in terms of learning competency and performance standard. Examine the learning competency to be unpacked. Identify the concept, knowledge, and skill as well as the vertical. Ako na akong siring kanina. Vertical alignment. Kita ha? Read the Kinini, nakahimo na kita learning objective, di ba? Solve problems involving multiply. So, animo instructional pedagogy that iba na similar teachers, master teacher for extra or unrelated elements. Kita mahilig pa pakitang pasubra. Competency ba or an objective? Objective. So, listen, number 1. And lagi. Instruction. Real time depending.